Hi, I'm Dr. Gorgon, and today we're going to explore building a web page using Google Sites. I'm already logged in, so I'm just going to use the waffle menu to go down to Google Sites. I'm going to choose a blank web page, and I'm going to add some information. So for my page title, I'm going to put Dr. Gorgon, and the site's name can also be Dr. Gorgon. I can add in a logo. I can embed HTML if I want to. When I want to insert an image, I can go to Select, and any recent images that I have utilized will show up first. I can go to my drive if I want to go to something more complex. And you can drag it around on the screen so that anywhere that you would like it to be, it can show up. You can also add text box, and this would be a good place to put in some text. Similarly, you can enter in a hyperlink using the insert link, and then try somewhere such as zelda.com, which when you go, you have a link to Zelda. So in this video, we showed how to use Google Sites in order to start playing around with different HTML constructs without having to necessarily know the underlying code. It takes more work to get things to line up exactly the way that you want them to. But have fun playing. We'll be back next time.